Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can increase text size on Windows 11. So if you feel your text size on your system is too small, you can try to increase, you can try to adjust the size by click on start icon and go to the settings. Here you can access accessibility, and the first option is text size that appears throughout Windows and your apps. You can click it. So this is the preview. The size of these words will change as you adjust the slider. So you can drag the slider. Change you make here will apply to the most of text on your device. Let's drag it, and here we go. So 225% is the maximum size you can apply. Here we go. It's a lot bigger, and let's make it 100 by default. Feel free to try to increase your text size on your Windows 11 system. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.